Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ramona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Ramona. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is Systeme IO. If you're overwhelmed by tech, this is the cleanest Systeme IO tutorial and breakdown you will find. In this video, I'm answering the top search questions about Systeme IO so you can decide if it's right for you and you can actually get started. I'm going to answer these 5 questions in this order. What is Systeme IO? What is Systeme IO used for? Is Systeme IO free to use? How much does Systeme IO cost? And is Systeme IO any good? If you want to follow along or start setting up your Systeme account, click the link in the description to get started. Now that you've clicked the link, you should be on Systeme IO's homepage. What you'll see is that it is the all-in-one marketing platform that just works. To sign up, go ahead and put your email address in the box where it says enter your email address and then click on the blue button that says click here. I'm going to quickly sign in to one of my accounts and I'll meet you back here. So what is Systeme IO? Systeme IO is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps you do the basic things you need to run an online business in one place. So here's what people use Systeme IO for in their daily marketing tasks. So one of the things they use it for are for lead capture funnels like the one you see on the screen. And that's when someone lands on a page, enters their email address, and gets a freebie or a next step. People are also using it for email marketing where you can send emails to your list and you can also set up an automatic sequence so new subscribers get follow-up messages without you doing it manually. People are also using Systeme for automations. So this is where Systeme IO shines for beginners. You can set rules like when someone signs up, you can tag them, send them emails, and move them to the next step automatically. You can also use Systeme IO to sell digital products such as a membership or a digital download such as an ebook. You can also use it to sell courses or mini courses. And you can have those all delivered automatically. So just as an example, you could offer a free checklist like you see on the screen. Someone comes, they opt in, they get a short email sequence, and then one email invites them to book a call, or in this case is to purchase the full course. Another example would be you sell a digital download, someone buys it, and they get instant access. No manual emailing, and no I'll send it later. So is Systeme IO free to use? The answer is yes, you can get started using Systeme IO for free. The free plan is designed to let you get moving and build something real before you spend money. Now, a lot of people are skeptical, so why not offer a free plan? And that's exactly what Systeme IO does. So what changes between free and paid is capacity and limits, as you can see on this pricing page. So free gets you started and you upgrade when you outgrow the limits. And just to let you know, just to give you a little about my story of how I got started with Systeme, I was using a lot of different tools. And I was introduced to Systeme IO in a course that I was actually taking, and I never looked back. And what happened is I started with the free plan to design my first funnel, which was actually the opt-in page that I just showed you. And once I began capturing leads and saw how powerful Systeme IO is, I upgraded to the startup plan. And then when I wanted to create an on-demand webinar, I upgraded to the webinar plan. Most of my clients started on the free plan, and when they were ready, they then upgraded to the startup plan. Now, others of them have upgraded to the webinar plan, and only one outgrew the startup and webinar plans and is now on the unlimited plan. So my recommendation to you is to do the same. Start with the free plan and then upgrade when you need to. Now, if you have like thousands of contacts and a whole lot of funnels, a nice thing about System is that they will actually migrate your entire business over to System. And I've had that done several times, and it's a smooth journey. It's much easier than you trying to pull in all of your funnels and, your emails and all that. They'll do it for you and they'll do it for free, but you just have to be on an annual plan. Just know that. So again, if I were you, if I'm just starting out, I start with the free plan, then I upgrade when you need to. And then personally, I would have just signed up for the startup plan had I known what System can really do. So if you want to jump right into the startup plan, you can do that as well. If you know that you have a focus and you know what you're selling or what your funnels are going to be for and all of that. If you're just starting and you're kind of just playing around with it, just go with the free plan. So just as a reminder, if you're brand new, click the link in the description to get started on the free plan. Even if you don't bill today, get your account open just so you're ready. So let's talk about how much does Systeme IO cost. So again, as I mentioned, there is a free plan which says that you have access to all core features with limited usage. So you get 3 funnels, 1 automation rule, 1 custom domain, and up to 2,000 contacts, and it's perfect for testing the platform. But again, there are some people who are on it for a long time. And this is something that I didn't mention. The free plan is for life. So you can stay on that free plan for as long as you want to. You will only need to upgrade if you go past that usage limit. And let's talk real quick about the custom domain. I know I breezed over it, but what that means is if you have a domain name, and you will need one if you want the professional look. If you don't want the professional look, System will give you a domain name, but of course it's going to be long. It's going to be name of your business or your name.system.io / whatever your funnels are called. So it will be a very long domain. However, if you want, you can install what's called a custom domain, meaning you'll have a domain name somewhere, let's say GoDaddy, Namecheap, or somewhere like that. And you can bring that domain name into System. You'll just need to set it up so that when you send out your funnels, it's going from your domain name / whatever the name of your funnel is. So if your domain name is dogs.com, it's going to be dogs.com / and then whatever the name of your funnel is. The next plan after the free plan is the startup plan. And in that startup plan, it says that you can expand your capacity with up to 10 funnels. So you're going from 3 funnels to 10 funnels. Then you get 10 automation rules, 3 custom domains, and 5,000 contacts. So if you have multiple businesses, you can use those domain names in System as well. And the startup plan is $17 a month, and you cannot beat that. I was on that plan for a while until I needed to upgrade. The next plan is the webinar plan. So the webinar plan, which is $47 a month, says that you can unlock evergreen webinars and get up to 50 funnels, 100 automation rules, 10 custom domains, and 10,000 contacts. Next is the unlimited plan, where you get complete freedom with unlimited funnels, unlimited contacts, unlimited automation rules, and unlimited custom domains, plus early access to new features. And that is only $97 a month. Now, I was paying for a membership platform only. That was $97 a month. I didn't get the emails. I didn't get the funnels. I didn't get any of that. So imagine how much System has saved me, because that was just one tool that I was using. So when you think about who you're paying for email marketing, what CRM you're paying, what digital store? Are you using Shopify? Are you using, think about all the tools that you're using that this could replace, right? So you're saving. And I keep meaning to add up how much money this has saved me. But I haven't done that yet. I really need to do that. But it will save you a lot of money. When you get a chance, I'm not going to go through every feature, but you can scroll through this page and see all of the things that you're going to get with Systeme IO. You cannot beat this. And if you can beat this, in the comments, let me know what other tool you're using and that you get to do all this. And this is a biggie for me. I have a lot of things that I have a lot of domain names for one thing, but I wanted to create sub-accounts. So what this means is you can have your business or your brand as the main account and then have sub-accounts. So let's say you are an influencer, and then you also sell digital products on a different domain than your influencer brand. You can create a sub-account within Systeme for your digital products and be able to have all of your funnels for your different digital products in one place and your funnels for your brand in another place. And then let's say you also have a side gig, another business or something. So that you have three things. You can create a sub-account for that and have all your funnels for that and emails in one place. And guess what? You don't pay an extra dime for that. Everything is unlimited. All those sub-accounts are unlimited. So you can have as many sub-accounts as you want in this one Systeme account. Also, if you take appointments, it has a booking calendar, and then check here to see if your payment processor shows up. So there's Stripe, Apple Pay, PayPal, and then a number of other payment processors that you can use. You can have a blog or a website, and then they have awesome link in bio templates. That's what I forgot to mention. There are templates, like hundreds of templates for all that you need to do. So if you're building a website, there are website templates. There aren't as many as there are for sales funnels, but there are some website templates. There are a lot of blog templates. And also you have templates for your sales funnels, templates for your emails, all of that. So if you're not creative, they've already created everything for you. All you have to do is put your images and text in there. Again, the link in bio feature is amazing. I just built one out for a client where she has 6 different products. So I was able to create a link in bio for her. So we just take that link, put it in her Instagram bio, her LinkedIn bio, and everywhere, and people can just go ahead and purchase her products through that. Again, there is e-commerce, so there are physical products, a place for physical products as well as digital products. You can use coupons, you can manage your inventory, there's a place for your online courses. On that free plan, you get 1 course. On the startup plan, you get 5. On the webinar plan, you can have up to 20 courses. And on the unlimited plan, you get unlimited courses. And then you can see here how many students you can have in each one. That's huge. For the 1 course, if you did the free plan, you get up to 500 students in that course. You can also create communities and have community members. You can run your own affiliate marketing program. And then they have 24/7 email support. Their support is great, even though don't let the fact that it's email scare you. Because, these people are on point. When you have a question, they're answering your questions. And you can ask 50 questions after that. And they don't get upset. And they come back, they answer you. It's just been amazing. And then it integrates with Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Google Meet, Zoom, Active Campaign, and SendGrid. And then at the bottom of this page, it tells you what all the plans include. So you can just scroll through here, take a look, and check it out. And quickly, here's the simplest way to decide without overthinking. If you're building your first funnel and growing your list from scratch, start with the free plan. and then upgrade only when your business forces you to, like you need more contacts, more funnels, or more features. And the next question is system any good? So my honest answer for beginners who want an all-in-one marketing system without juggling multiple tools, it is absolutely better than good. Now, here's why it's good for beginners. It helps you move faster because everything is in one place. It makes follow-ups easier with email and automation, and it supports the full path, your leads to email to offers and delivery. So for me, I like having all of my tools in one place. System has saved me a lot of money by allowing me to cancel other subscriptions, and it also saves me a lot of time when I'm building funnels because they allow me to duplicate funnels. You can duplicate blogs, you can duplicate the websites, you can duplicate your emails. So I don't have to keep starting from scratch. I love that. So here's a quick recap. What is Systeme IO? It's an all-in-one marketing platform for funnels, email, automation, and selling digital products. What is Systeme IO used for? It's used for lead capture, email sequences, automation, workflows, and selling ebooks for downloads, courses, and yes, even physical products. Is Systeme IO free to use? Yes, you can absolutely start for free. How much does Systeme IO cost? Systeme IO is free to start, and paid plans start at $17 a month when you need more capacity. Is Systeme IO any good? Yes, it is absolutely good. It is better than good, especially if you want a simple all-in-one marketing platform. So, what's your next step? Click the link in the description of this video to get started. And in the next video, I'll walk you through setting up your Systeme IO account step by step. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and click the bell so that you'll receive notifications each time I post a new video. Don't forget to click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.